Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. So in today's video we're going to be doing buzz braids with coily ends. So if you want to know and see how I achieve this hairstyle, please keep watching. And also at the end of the video, if you like the result, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So I've already cut the extensions off camera. I cut it. We used 2 pack of expression braided hair. I cut it into 4. I cut each pack into 4, and the color we use in this video is color 35. As usual, you don't have to use the exact color I use in this video. You can use any color of your choice. So with that said, let's move ahead and do the video. So for the buzz braids, I braid all the way to past where an whole natural hair ends. Then I went ahead to tie a knot to secure the braid. So before going ahead to curl the hair, you want to make sure to tie a knot. Once you braid it to your desired length, you want to go ahead and tie a knot to secure the braid.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So once you braid it to your desired length, you're going to take a tiny piece of the hair just like that and use it to tie a knot to secure it.
It gets ingrained in my head and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
So this is the finished result of the buzz braid before going ahead to curl the tip of the hair. So to coil the hair right here, I'm just taking a portion of the hair and I'm going with a comb to comb it to make sure there's no tangle. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my flexi rod. So in this video, I use a medium size flexi rod. You can use a small size flexi rod or a big size. So it depends on the size of the flexi rod. If you use a small one, it will give you a tighter coil, and this medium one will give you a little bit tight but a little loose. Then if you use like the big flexi rod, that will give you like a really soft wavy coil pattern. So it depends on the kind of coil you're going for. So just like that, I wrap the hair around the flexi rod, and after that, I'm gonna go ahead. Once I'm done wrapping all the hair around the flexi rod, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into hot water.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
So after you're done dipping the hair into hot water, you want to dry the excess water with a towel, just like I'm doing right here. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and unravel the hair while it's still wet. And after you unravel it, you want to go ahead and take your scissors and just cut off the tip of the hair, just like that. And after that, you just go ahead and separate the coil. So you want to make sure to separate it while the hair is still wet, because then after you've separated it, you can let it air dry. So by separating the hair while it's still wet helps you maintain the coil pattern and keep everything intact. So this is the finished result of this buzz braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.